Welcome! If you want to find and manage sound settings in your Lenovo K6, at the first open settings, go for the settings and scroll to the sound. When you are here, we can adjust volume of media, alarm, notifications and the ringtone by moving this switcher on the left or the right. We can activate vibration for ringing. We can enable and activate the Do Not Disturb mode. In this place, we can change call alert tone for SIM first and second. The same for the messages. So for example, I will show you how it looks when you change message tone. It's currently set up on Epic Shines, but we can go for the Hangouts message. Click OK to confirm. The same for the system notification sound. And below we can also change the alarm ringtone. In this place we can find emergency broadcast, so we can enable them or disable by tapping on the switchers. Below we can find other sound settings. We can find the vibration no touch, touch sound, screen locking sounds or dial tones. And the last option that we can find is the Dolby Atmos. That will increase quality of music. So we can, for example, pick voice. And when you tap here, you can turn it on or turn it off. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.